So today I want to share with you the strategy that I'm using to button. I've used this particular strategy to get at least 3 payouts in less than 3 weeks. Yeah, 3 weeks. So this is the first one. This was a $400 payout. This first one here. Then this second one. No, that was not the second one. This one of 8 days. Was this one of 5 days? Echo. Or let me see from this other side. Let's go to payouts. Okay, look at it. I've gotten $743 from a 5K account in less than a month. I think in less than a month. Yeah, I started withdrawing this account last month, August. The first withdrawal was on 24th. Okay, it's up to a month now, sha. So let me show you how I do my analysis and trading. So immediately I'm on the trading view. I trade only these three pairs, which is GBP USD, SAUSD, and USD GPY. So the first thing I do is this. First thing, so this is a 15-minute time frame. So what I do instantly is I go to the 4 hours. So seeing this from the 4 hours view, like I already know this is a downtrend because it's a downtrend. This consecutive lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower highs, and that's already been printed, and this is what the market has been printing consecutively. So on the 4 hours we're still bearish on GU. So it's not because the 4 hours is bearish doesn't mean I'll just jump in and start selling. No, I have to sell with calculation and precision. So I look at what's currently happening so I can see GU currently reacting to this 4 hours order block. That's here, this 4 hours order block. Yeah, so market's currently reacting to this 4 hours order block. So what I'm going to do now is, now that I've achieved this, the market's currently reacting to this 4 hours order block, I will check 15 minutes and see what the trend on 15 minutes looks like. So let's go to the 15 minutes. So here on the 15 minutes, I can see we are kind of printing, like market is kind of printing higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Come on, that thing for you, they disturb, I do something. Now, please do it. Higher highs, higher low. Yeah, this higher high, higher low. The mark, then higher high. So what I'm going to do here is that selling from here is not a good idea if you'd ask me, because 15 minutes is currently kind of bullish, even if the bullish is not too strong, but we know the bulls are in this market. You get it? So it's clear that the bulls are in this market. So what I'm going to do is simple. So I'm going to wait for the market to do something like this. Market should take out this high. So immediately market takes out this high, automatically I'll agree, because market takes out this high is to confirm that the bulls are in this market, because and there's a 4 hours order block, and if the 15-minute time frame can come and close above here, it means the bulls are the buyers are very active and they're in control. So I wait for something like this, and this will be my entry. And this will be my entry. My entry will be from here, and here will be my liquidity. Here will be my liquidity, and voila, that's what I'm expecting. But let's say the market is just I would not be interested in anything to do anything. So the only action I'm taking is if market sus. Okay, is this selling off? Okay, this sell is not yet enough. I wanted to take out this low. Once market should sell and take out this high, then come back to this particular point. So I'm adding this part because the previous one, the recording ended due to my battery was low. So previously I said I would be interested in this market if the market should take out this high first. The market is already reacting. So currently with this price action that I have here, with this current price action, I would easily mark here as my liquidity. This my trading view is kind of hanging. Here will be my liquidity. Trading view is hanging. Let me do something. And so that will be my liquidity. Sorry. So that will be my liquidity. This will be my liquidity, and I would want to take this trade from here. I want to take this trade from this point to the upside. And before I forget, I don't just take trade of only 15-minute analysis. I use 1 minute confirmation entry. So how I do my confirmation entry is that once market gets to this point, once market gets to this my POI, which is my point of interest. Once market gets there, I'll go to the 1 minute time frame and look for confirmation entry. So what I'm going to do is, when I'm looking for the entry, I'm going to screen record it so I can explain how the entry is. So for now, let's just go to the next analysis that I have. So maybe on the next video I would show you how I do the confirmation entry, but you can still trade off like this. Like I can still just do something like this and it's fine, but I prefer confirmation entry. It gives me smaller stop loss and good target. So imagine targeting 1 to 5, I have to hit 400 pips, but if I had used confirmation entry, maybe my maximum stop loss would have been, let's say, maybe 7 pips, and this would be easily 14-hour trade. So let's go to gold. I have a setup on gold too. So here on gold, I've done my analysis on gold. So let's start together. I checked the 4 hours on gold. So all through, how I trade is I trade 4 hours, 15 minutes, and 1 minute. So on gold, for me, gold market is still bullish. So I don't know, many other people could be bearish for them, but me, I believe gold is still going up. So I'm going to enter the trade. So this big line I've marked here is my 4 hours order block. This is my exit point. I would like to exit this market once market gets to this point. So let's go to the 15 minutes. So let me explain the entry. So on 15 minutes here, as you can see on 15 minutes here, market is printing up. So market is, I caught this buy. I caught some buy around here. I got one buy around here. Let me show you that now. It's happy to my get live. I've caught one buy down. Where is it? Look at it here. This is on gold. I caught this buy. So if you can check, you'd see market came to my POI, went up. I caught this buy on gold. So I caught this buy on gold, and this was also my analysis with the 1 minute confirmation entry. These are I got this setup. So let's see which again. I think that's all. Okay. Did I take this? Okay, I took this way, but this was stop loss. So let's go back. What is this? So let's go back to trading view. So here on trading view, so let trading view load up. So there are two things I'm looking at here. So what I'm expecting on gold is that if market should, so come. So there are two things I'm expecting on gold. So this is it. So with the price action I'm seeing currently, once market comes to this side, I will buy gold. Like I'll buy gold instantly. I'll buy gold, and I'll also use 1 minute confirmation entry. But also, if I don't want to use confirmation entry, I could just enter out from here and put my stop. Imagine I want to exit here, it will be 2 hour. With 1 minute confirmation, this will be up to 10 hour. So why do I have this other analysis here? The reason I have this other analysis here is that here is obviously liquidity. This point. This point is obviously liquidity. So I'm not taking trade. If this market wants to come below this point, so this will be my next POI because here is liquidity. I cannot take any trade from it. So this is my gold analysis. And here's the JPY. I don't think I have anything there currently. This was my USD JPY trade. I caught this buy up at the analysis. I caught this buy up. See, I had this particular USD JPY analysis since. Let me show you. Let me see. Okay, you can see when it was there. I had it since, so I caught the buy. So I don't know if I'll upload this video, but I'll try to edit it and see how it goes. So let me show you again. I made $743. So imagine, and I'm in Nigeria, so this is not a small money from me. This is not actually small on a 5k account. So don't forget to say 5k account, 5k funded account, fundedness. Say 5k fundedness account. So let's go to the calculator together and press this for how much is it? How much is it in Naira? So let's see. For I think Naira should be, let's check by bit how much. Okay. Let's go 1450. 1450 times 743. So this is approximately 1,077,000 in 1 month from a 5k account. How much did I buy the 5k account? I got the account for $28. So let's remove the $28 there. So I made 1 million, and I received back the money I used to buy the account on the third payout. So I don't think I have to put accounts for that again. 4-3. So this is what I made in 1 month trading USD JPY, gold, and GBP USD with this simple strategy I just showed you guys.